Hello students, Vande Mataram. Today we are going to learn about use of phrase prepositions. The first question is what is phrase preposition? Okay, so we have completed prepositions where we use of, on, in. Okay, but here it is phrase preposition. Now, what is the meaning of phrase preposition? So, when we use prepositions with word, that is called phrase preposition. Now, which type of phrase preposition is like? So, it is like in search of, agree to. So, here you can see of is coming with word in search. Okay, to come with agree, with come with agree, of come with because, with we too. So it is what? It is phrase preposition. So when we use preposition with word, that is called phrase preposition. Now here I am going to tell some prepositions and with examples. So first here is the preposition because of, owing to, on account of, due to. So the Hindi meaning of this preposition is के कारण. Okay, because of, owing to, on account of, due to. So with this type of prepositions, we here show the reason. Okay, so it is called karan darshak preposition, showing reason. So here I am going to tell you some examples. Owing to, because of his illness, Nayan arrived late at school. Okay, so the Hindi meaning of this sentence is because of his illness, Nayan arrived late at school. तो illness, नयन बीमार होने के कारण स्कूल लेट आया था. ओके, नाउ नयन्स लेट अराइविंग एट स्कूल वॉज ड्यू टू हिज इलनेस. तो नयन के लेट आने का कारण क्या है? इसकी इलनेस. बिकॉज ऑफ गांधी जयंती द ऑफिस इज क्लोज अर्ली टुडे. गांधी जयंती होने के कारण ऑफिस वह आज जल्दी बंद हो जाएंगे. द हैवी डिमांड ऑफ दिस बुक ड्यू टू इट्स पब्लिसिटी. तो यहाँ पर इस बुक की हैवी डिमांड व इस बुक की पब्लिसिटी का कारण है. ओके, सो हियर with, because of, owing to, on account of, due to, here we show the reason. Okay, here we use phrase preposition to show the reason, and you can see here the sentence structure of owing to, because of is same, but with due to it is some different, little different. You can see with due to, here we use due to after to be form, like Nayan's late arriving at school was is the to be form. Okay, so here we can see we use due to after to be form. You can also see here next example of due to, like the heavy demand of this book due to its publicity. Okay, now we skip our next phrase preposition, showing purpose. जहाँ हम उद्देश्य को दर्शाएंगे वहाँ पे हम showing purpose phrase prepositions का यूज़ करते हैं, like with the view to, in order to. Okay, so with the view to, he works day and night. So here you can see we show the purpose. हम हेतु दर्शाते, किसी काम के करने का कोई हेतु होता है. वी शो द पर्पस ऑफ एनी एक्शन. ओके, व्हाट वी डू for what? Okay, so here we show the purpose for actions with a view to, in order to. So the first example, he works day and night. Now why he works day and night? Okay, because here you can see we use with a view to. He works day and night. Why? He works day and night with a view to getting first class. To get first class. Okay. When we use with the view to, at that time we use ing form after with the view to. Okay. He works day and night with the view to getting first class. Now, in order to. Okay, when we use in order to in sentence, at that time we use the main form of verb get. You can see in this example the main form of verb. Okay, now see the example, he works day and night in order to get first class. तो यहाँ पे हम एक डिफरेंस देख सकते हैं. We use ing form with the view to and the main form with in order to. Now next example, the poor lady begs in order to feed her children. Now here we can see the poor lady begs, but what is the reason, what is the purpose of begging? So the purpose of begging is to feed her children. So the poor lady begs in order to feed her children. You can also see here we use first form in order to, after that we use first form of main verb. Hemant wears a mask with a view to saving himself from COVID-19. So we can see here, so Hemant wears a mask. For what? What is the purpose of wearing mask? Hemant wears a mask with a view to saving himself from COVID-19. So it is called showing purpose phrase preposition with the view to, in order to. Remember, let me remind you, we use ing form with the view to and the first form with in order to. Okay, now next, showing contrast. Now here is the phrase preposition which show the contrast. In spite of and despite. The Hindi meaning of in spite of and despite is के बावजूद. Okay, so the first example, in spite of illness, my brother had to go on with his work. Okay, in spite of his illness, my brother had to go on with his work. So यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं द हिंदी मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सेंटेंस, बीमार होने के बावजूद भी मेरे भाई ने उसका काम किया. डिस्पाइट इलनेस. नाउ रिमेंबर, here we do not use of with despite. Okay, despite illness my brother had to go on with his work. तो मेरा भाई बीमार होने के बावजूद भी अपना काम कर रहा है. In spite of warning. Now in spite of warning, that means warning के बावजूद भी, सोहन made same mistake. सोहन ने same mistake की. Despite poverty, he is honest and helpful. Okay, so it is what it is. It shows the contrast with the in spite of and despite. This is called phrase preposition which show the contrast. Now next, now it is optional. Okay, which show the optional things with the use of phrase preposition. So it is optional preposition which show the option. तो यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि इन प्लेस ऑफ और इंस्टेड ऑफ के यूज से हम यहाँ पर ऑप्शंस देख सकते हैं. सो इन प्लेस ऑफ एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ, तो हिंदी मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड इज के बदले या की जगह. ओके, अरविंद वेंट टू द थिएटर इंस्टेड ऑफ द स्कूल. अरविंद यहाँ देख सकते थिएटर के बदले कहाँ गया, स्कूल. Arvid went to the theater in place of school. So the meaning of instead of and in place of and use of instead of and in place of is same. So now next example, I will buy laptop in place of a mobile. तो मैं लैपटॉप की जगह मोबाइल खरीदूंगा. They visited Kulu instead of Kerala. तो वह कुल्लू की जगह केरला घूमने गए थे. Okay. Now showing relation. Now here is the preposition which show the relation with some person, some place or thing. Like according to Gandhiji. So here the meaning of according to के मत अनुसार. Okay. According to Gandhiji, truth is God. Okay. So गांधी जी के मत अनुसार सत्य वह देव है, सत्य वह भगवान है. According to me, he is a liar. और यहाँ according to me that means मेरे अनुसार वह झूठा है. Okay. So here is the preposition which show the relation and option. Now I am going to give you some self practice examples. Thank you.